Good day everyone. In today's video, we are going to attempt a question on rationalization of sorts. To solve this question, we have to simplify the denominator. Let's simplify the denominator first. Solution, okay. The denominator is actually root 48 negative root 8 negative root 27. Okay, 2 factors of 48, that's 16 and 3. 16 times 3 will give us 48. 2 factors of 8, 4 and 2. 4 times 2 will give us that. And 2 factors of 27, 9 times 3. Okay, the square root of 16 here is 4. So we're going to have 4 root 3. The square root of 4 is 2. We're going to have negative 2 root 2. And the square root of 9 is 3. We're going to have 3 root 3. Okay, so we call it like times. So 4 root 3, negative 3 root 3, negative 2 root 2. Okay, so that's going to give us 1 root 3. So we'll write that as root 3, negative 2 root 2. All right, so our question now becomes 2 root 2 divided by root 3 negative 2 root 2. So we've been able to simplify the denominator to give us root 3 negative 2 root 2. So now what we are going to do is we are going to rationalize the denominator, and we are going to do that by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. Okay, so what do I mean by conjugate? For example, if you have a root b, a plus root b, the conjugate of a plus root b is a negative root b. So it's just the sign that is actually changing. So if you have x negative root y, the conjugate of x negative root y is actually x plus root y. So it is the sign that is changing. The denominator is root 3 negative 2 root 2, and the conjugate of this denominator is actually root 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay, let's have the fraction again. That's 2 root 2 over root 3 negative 2 root 2. So we are going to multiply the numerator by the conjugate, which is root 3 plus 2 root 2. I will multiply it by the denominator again, which is the conjugate, root 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay, so let's have it. Let's open a bracket here. That will be root 3 plus 2 root 2. And let's have the denominator. Open a bracket, root 3 negative 2 root 2. Root 3 again plus 2 root 2. Okay, for the numerator, we have 2 root 2 times root 3. 2 root 2 times root 3, that will be 2 root 2 times root 3, that's root 6, plus 2 root 2 times 2 root 2. Oh, that's 2 root 2 in two places. That will be 2 root 2 squared divided by. Okay, I want us to use difference of 2 squared to simplify the numerator, the denominator, sorry. Okay, let's recall that a minus b multiplied by a plus b is equals to what? A squared minus b squared. Now, our denominator is actually root 3 negative 2 root 2. So our a here is root 3 and our b is 2 root 2, right? Okay, let's have our a again, root 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay, so what's that going to give us? That's a squared, and our a is root 3. So we're going to square it minus our b is 2 root 2, 2 root 2 then we square it. Okay, so what's root 3 squared? So the square will cancel the roots, and that's going to give you 3 negative 2 root 2 squared, that's 2 squared root 2 squared. Okay, good. This is 3 negative 2 squared, that is 4, and root 2 squared, this square will cancel these roots, and that's going to give you 2. All right, so this is 3 negative 4 times 2, 8. So 3 negative 8, that's negative 5. So our denominator is negative 5. So we have 2 root 6 plus 2 squared root 2 squared, all divided by negative 5. Okay, so 2 root 6 plus 2 squared, that's 4. Root 2 squared, the square we cancel the root, and that's going to give us 2 divided by negative 5. Okay, so 2 root 6 plus 4 times 2, that's 8, divided by negative 5. So I can rewrite this, and that's going to give me 8 plus 2 root 6 divided by negative 5. And let's recall that a plus b over c is the same thing as a over c plus b over c. So 8 divided by negative 5, that will be negative 8 over 5. 2 divided by negative 5, so we're going to have negative 2 over 5 root 6, which is the form in which our final answer should be. That's p plus q root r. So where p is negative 8 over 5 and q is negative 2 over 5 and r is actually 6. Thanks for watching.